Hey, how are you? I'm Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter, and I'm the guy who's going to help you save a lot of money when it's time for you to buy your Riva motor yacht. So, how am I going to do that? Well, there's many ways, but in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 of the most important numbers you need to know when acquiring any Riva yacht. Salesmen don't want you to know those numbers, so shh, don't tell them I told you, but this is going to be really helpful in keeping more money in your pocket. So the first number you need to know when buying any Riva yacht is the number 9. 9 months is typically how long it takes for a Riva to sell on the open market. You're going to know that at that 9-month mark, before or after, a seller and a listing broker is going to be more inclined to strike a deal. This happens because the seller's incurring costs and wants to get in their next boat, and that listing broker could be in jeopardy of losing the listing to another broker. So you apply pressure because you're smart and informed and you use this to your advantage. The second number that's really important when buying a Riva is 11.11. 11.11 is typically what a Riva yacht sells below its listed value. Of course, this number is going to vary by model, by year, a bunch of different factors, and we could talk about this afterwards, but this is a really reliable starting point for you. If you go ahead and take 11.11 off the list price of your Riva, that's going to give you a pretty good idea as far as what you're looking at purchasing that Riva for. And the third, the most important number you need to know, which salesmen never ever want you to know, and you can't find it in your research no matter what you do until you fill out the form associated with this video, but that's the recent sales value. What actual Riva buyers have paid for the same Riva that you're interested in purchasing? So as a real world example, take for instance a 2015 Rivarama listed for $950,000. But that's the list price. A seller could ask for whatever they want, and sellers do because they can trick buyers into overpaying. But you watch this video and you know that the last buyer of a 2015 Rivarama paid $650,000 2 years ago. So what does this mean for you? That means instead of negotiating based off the $950,000, you're essentially dropping the ceiling in the negotiation down, and you're going to save pretty much 33% that way. So, now that you know what to look for, now that you know how to properly evaluate the Riva that you're looking to buying, fill out the form below, tell me exactly what Riva you plan on buying, and I'm going to get you the information you need to make sure that you don't overpay for your yacht. So, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy yachting, my friend.